Hi guys, how are you doing? Hope everybody is doing good. Today we are going to see some special men's offer pants. So let's start. So guys, today we have come to Shahenshah, which is in Purswakam, Chennai. Today we are come to shop some pants for men. So here they have a special offer in men's pants. The offer is a very exciting offer, which you'll be pretty surprised when I tell you about it. So the offer is you can pick any two pants and pay only rupees 890. Can you believe it, guys? Two pants for 890. Very reasonable. I just can't believe this offer. Very reasonable offer. See, all these pants which you're seeing, two pants for 890. You can take any one. You can take a jean and a cotton pant for 890, or you can pick up any two jeans and pay 890, or you can also take two cotton pants for 890. So now I'm going to show you each and every designs which come in this. So first we are going to see some plain color cotton trousers. So let's start. Steel grey, light green, grey, khaki color, brown. Okay. So this is the light color shade. These all shades come under the light color. So next we are going to see some dark color shades. Let's see the dark color chart now.
Dark
Brown,
bottle green,
bottle green,
light
light green,
green,
navy blue,
black.
black. The mighty black. See, these are the shades in dark colors. Very good shades. So all these pants, you can take any two pants for 890. You can choose whichever you like. And now you must be thinking about the sizes which are available in this offer. So in this offer, you have sizes from 28 to 38. I repeat, 28 to 38. So you can pick up any pants, two pants of any size, and just pay 890. From size 28 to 34, the price is 890. If you are going for size 36 and 38, it is only rupees 100 additional you have to pay for two pants. So for 36 and 38, two pants for 990. For 28 to 34, two pants for 890. So next we are going to see some jeans. So let's start with the jeans. I'm sure you're waiting for it. Oh no, I forgot to show you more variety in cottons. I'm going to show you some very beautiful checks. Let's see some checks before we go to the jeans. Yeah, please show me some checks pants. I love checks. So we have a lovely stripes. Check out this color. Wow, this looks very nice.
Navy blue, black,
So now we are going to see some
Brown.
checks pant. Okay, so these are the checks. So we'll see some more checks. So we got more checks, yeah. Okay, this is a new color in checks. Nice light shade. You can wear some nice dark color shirts with this lovely light color. Oh, look at this. Wow, this is very good. Let me open this and show you. So coming to the fit of the pant, all the pants come in narrow fit. So they are not very tight, neither they are very loose. They have a nice narrow fit. The material is a cotton stretch fabric. The material is stretchable. See, the material is a stretch fabric. It's very comfortable to the skin and it's pure cotton. cotton stretch fabric. It comes in narrow fit. You can wear it to work, you can wear it to college, anywhere. Okay, so I'll show you some more patterns and checks. We have, so all what you saw now is a small checks. So now I'm going to show you some big checks. Box checks, it's called box checks. So let's see some box checks now.
Grey.
Grey,
Light green.
light green.
Light brown.
See all new colors in box checks.
Light gold.
See all these are box checks.
White.
Big box checks. Wow, lovely shades in box checks. So these pants also, they are 2 for 890. See the company MRP for each is 799. But we are giving you at an offer price of only rupees 890. You can take any two, only 890. Wow. Okay, so then let's move to the jeans department. Let's start with the jeans now. So this is a total jeans collection. 2 jeans for 890. I repeat, 2 jeans for 890. So you have various shades of blue. Dark blues. This is still darker. You have this monkey wash in blue. You have a light blue. So let me show you this monkey wash. So this is for the college going guys who love this fancy jeans. Wow, nice shade of the jeans. Looks very good. Okay, now let me can you please show me some sober jeans which I can wear it to work also.
Sure.
Yeah, I guess this is nice for my work. Can you please show me this? This is good to wear for work. On a Friday, Saturday office work, I can wear this. Yeah, this is nice. A nice sober jeans. This is also 2 for 890, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 2 jeans for 890. Wow, nice colors. Very nice blue color. But I'm always wearing only blue jeans. I want to try out some new shades other than blue. Do you have any other new colors?
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. Can you please show me the new shades in jeans what you have? I always wear only blue. Jeans means only blue, but I want to wear some new shades. Okay, the new colors looks exciting. Wow. Wow, exciting colors. Very excited to see the new
Beige
shades.
color. Light blue.
Wow, nice shades.
Navy blue. Black. Light blue.
Okay, so we are going to focus on the light colors now. These have just arrived, all new shades. Okay, lovely colors. Look at this, guys. Look at the colors. Amazing colors. Wow, such new colors. Only on offer. New colors on offer. 2 pants only for 890. Sizes 28 to 38 available. Wow, look at the colors. Okay, can you please show me this? Can you please open this and show? This color looks nice. Okay, nice color. Lot of my shirts will match for this. You can wear nice navy blue shirts, red color, black, even white color also will match with these pants. So basically these colors you can match, either you can go for light colors or dark color shirts and t-shirts. Both match well with these shades, new shades. Okay. You have this nice pocket around the patchwork around here. Okay. So is this also stretch material? Is the jean stretch material? Is this jean stretch material?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Oh, very nice stretch. Huh? You can see it's a cotton jean material. The material is cotton jean inside and it stretches very well. Stretches very well. Yeah, the material is stretching. Wow, it's stretching a lot. Very comfortable. So I can actually wear these jeans and go for a jog also, I'm sure. It's going to be very comfortable, just like my track pant. These jeans are so stretchable, I can wear it for a jog also. Wow, lovely. So coming to the fit of these pants, we have different fittings in these pants, starting from slim fit, narrow fit, ankle length. So first let me come to you this slim fit. So this box checks pant has a nice slim fit. So right starting from your whole thigh up to your ankle, this is going to be a nice slim fit, and this will end exactly at your ankle. So you can wear a nice cut shoe to this, which will really look very classy and elegant. You can wear this to college, you can wear this to your work. Stretch fabric. So you see this is an ankle length. It ends right up to your ankle with a nice slim cut. Makes you look slim and trim. Coming to the next fit now. So the next fit we are going to see is the narrow fitting. It's not very loose. It's neither very loose, neither very tight. It gives a good shape to your legs and sits comfortably on your shoe. It gives a very classy and elegant look. Guys who don't like to wear very tight fit or slim fit pants can go in for such fits. Very comfortable. You can wear it all day to your work, or you can wear it to your college. Very comfortable, very classy material. Coming to the fit of the jeans. So in jeans we have two kinds of fits. This one you can see, this one is a nice narrow fit. So generally college going guys, they love such fits. It's a nice slim fit jeans, pencil fit, gives a good shape to your legs. The next fit what we have is a narrow fit, a little comfort with jean. So generally people going to work, people in their 30s or 40s, they will like to wear such a fit jean because they don't like wearing it very tight. They like more comfortable. So two kinds of fits available in this offer in the jeans. One is the slim fit, and the other is a narrow fit. Two kinds of fits available in jeans. Slim fit, narrow. This offer is only for a limited period. Rush to Shahenshah to buy your pants. If you can't come to a store, we can always courier to you. Quality of the pants are top class. So you're getting top class fabrics at very affordable prices. The actual cost of these pants are around 600-700 rupees. But as there's a special offer, you're getting two pants for 890. Two pants for only 890 with top class quality, top class fabrics. Cotton fabrics, cotton jeans, cotton pants, which you can wear it all day and they will last you for years. You might outgrow them, but the fabric will never fade away.